Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. You can start now, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah. Good morning, everybody. On behalf of our college honorable management member, our respectable principal, and our mass media department, I welcome you all for this event, logo making. Myself, Dr. Savitri Dole, coordinator of mass media, and my colleague, Assistant Professor Sindhu Ramni, and Assistant Professor Sagar Karkhanis. Welcome you all. We have this wonderful event with you all. All of you, please enjoy the session. All the best to all the participants. Please go ahead with the event. Thank you.
Fariha?
Riha, you can take over now.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Myself, Fariha.
And myself, John Dennis here, and we welcome you all the participants in our event of logo making.
And today we have Shreya Tedke as an honorable judge of the event. She is pursuing her passion as a fashion designer from NIFT Gandhinagar. She is an artist. She is a classical Bharatanatyam dancer. She works as a logo and a poster maker. She creates outfits from thrift clothes. Welcome to the event, ma'am.
So I would
Yeah.
also like to tell you all the participants that a logo is a symbol or other small design which is being adopted by an organization to identify its product. In this world, I mean in this 21st century, logo speaks louder than words, as everyone knows. Every product has a brand due to technological growth and improvisation.
Also, we identify the sub-products just by looking at the logo and decide to purchase or not to purchase. Logo is used to aid and promote public identification and recognition. Today, we have an opportunity for designers who have developed interest in the field of technology, which is logo making event of our festival. Sagar sir, please take over.
Manasvi, you can share your screen now.
Hello, shall we start the event?
Yes, yes.
Is it visible to you all?
Yes, Manasvi.
This artwork is done by Abhishek Tripathi. Hello, Shreya ma'am.
Hello. Yes.
Shall I proceed the next?
Yeah.
This artwork is done by Aman Mai.
What's the name?
Aman Mai. Shall I proceed the next?
Okay.
This artwork is done by Anthony Kumar.
Okay. Next.
This is done by Anuj Shinde.
Okay. Next.
This artwork is done by Divya Mahadev Jagdale.
Okay.
Shall I proceed?
Yeah.
This is done by Garima Rai.
Okay. Next.
This artwork is done by Isha Keni.
Okay, next.
This artwork is done by Karan Singer.
Okay, next.
This is done by Khan Tehsin Jamaluddin.
Okay, next.
This is done by Komal Acharya.
Okay,
This is done by Mansi Pancholi.
okay, next.
This is done by Nikhil Gowde.
Okay,
This artwork is done by Payal Jain.
okay, next.
This is done by Prathamesh Gaikwad.
Okay, next.
This is done by Purva Sargade.
Purva. Okay,
Shall I proceed?
yeah.
This artwork is done by Rupja Banerjee.
Okay,
Manasvi,
okay,
please
next.
proceed.
Okay. This is done by Sagar Soni. Shall I proceed the next?
Yes,
This artwork is done by Sangeeta Shenoy.
yeah, next.
This is done by Shubham Dahake.
Yeah, next.
This is done by Shubham Kumar.
Okay, next.
This is done by Shubham Sangle.
Okay, next.
This is done by Shweta Sanjay Prajapati.
Okay, next.
This is done by Simran Jethanandani.
Okay, next.
This is done by Sujata Rathod.
Okay, next.
This is done by Tashmeet Kaur.
Okay, next.
This is done by Varghese Rinu.
Okay, next.
Hang on a second. This artwork is done by Karthik Nair. Shall I play once again?
No, that's fine.
Okay, okay. Done with this, ma'am.
Okay. Are the participants here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So they can present the logo and the story beside this. So are they able to speak?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tell them to one by one present their logo and the story.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Is there any participant who want to speak something about your logo?
Yes, ma'am. Can I speak?
Yeah, sure, Sujata. You can speak.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
मैम द बेसिकली माई लोगो इज लाइक कलर्स टीवी का जो वायाकॉम कलर्स चैनल है उसके बारे में मैंने बनाया है. हेलो
ओके.
मैम,
हाँ.
उसमें जो मैंने कलर्स भरे अभी बेसिकली दिवाली आ रहा है. दिवाली कैसे मतलब पूरे इंडिया में मनाया जाता है. इट इज अ फुल ऑफ लाइट एंड कलर, फुल ऑफ जॉयफुल मोमेंट्स आर देयर सो मेनी. सो वो जो उसमें कलर्स भरा है जैसे कि रेड कलर है तो वो एक मतलब लाइक लव वाले लोग जो होते हैं उनको काफी ज्यादा रेड रेड पसंद आता है. फिर उसमें जो ऑरेंज कलर नेक्स्ट में है यानी कि हमारे मराठा वॉरियर्स उनको याद करके अगर कलर्स चैनल को रिप्रेजेंट करता है हमारे को तो उसके में ऑरेंज कलर भी डाला है. ग्रीनरी हमको मेंटेन करनी चाहिए, स्वच्छता अभियान रखना चाहिए, आसपास ग्रीनरी होनी ही चाहिए, इसलिए उसमें ग्रीन कलर है. बेसिकली उसमें सारे मूवमेंट सभी चीजों को हमें अच्छी तरह से एंजॉय करना चाहिए, कुछ भी छूटना नहीं चाहिए. Each and every moment have to make beautiful and more joyful. So that's why मैंने उसमें सारे कलर भर दिए.
ओके.
सॉरी मैं इंटरप्ट कर रहा हूँ बीच में.
One second,
Yes,
Manasvi,
ma'am. Yes,
you
ma'am.
call out the names one by one. You show the
Oh.
screen, present your screen once again, and you call
Yes,
these
yes.
participants one by one to
Yeah,
explain
yeah.
them.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Is the screen visible to everyone?
Yes.
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 So this artwork is done by Abhishek Tripathi. Abhishek, please unmute yourself and tell about your logo.
Yes, good morning, ma'am. Actually, good afternoon.
Yeah, good morning. Good afternoon.
Ma'am, actually, this logo is from Malayalam Flowers channel. I've recreated it and I've put a quote on top of it. a cheerful quote. So it's decent, not so modern.
Okay.
A flowers channel. It's a entertainment channel, so
It's
yeah,
entertainment channel.
that's all.
Um,
Yes, Malayalam
okay.
entertainment channel. I have recreated it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
So logo is like a symbol for everyone. Like मतलब अब तक मैंने जितने भी लोगोस देखे हैं सबके लिए मैं एक बोलना चाहती हूँ कि लोगो इज अ सिंबल. आप सबने लोगो एज अ लाइक फुल कवर पेज बनाया है. लोगो का मतलब है मतलब लाइक एक सिंबल होना चाहिए पर्टिकुलर. और आपने पूरा सिंबल को मतलब लाइक फुल पेज पे सिंबल नहीं बनाते हैं. लोगो सिर्फ एक मतलब लाइक एक रिप्रेजेंटेशन होता है. लाइक आपने जो फ्लावर बनाया है. हेलो, आई एम
हाँ.
ऑडिबल.
Hello. Yes.
Yes,
या
ma'am.
Yes.
जो फ्लावर होता है आप उसको एज अ लोगो पकड़ सकते हो और उसके नीचे जो फॉन्ट रहेगा उसको लोगो के अंदर पकड़ सकते हो. बट लाइक आपने पूरे पेज पे जो आपने कोट लिखा है वो लोगो के अंदर लाइक नहीं आ सकता है.
Okay.
ओके. और नीचे आपने जो टेलीविजन का सिंबल डाला है वो बहुत ज़्यादा ऑफ साइड जा रहा है. आप या तो फिर
Okay.
आपने लाइक फ्लावर के अंदर टेलीविजन का पिक्चर लाइक इंसर्ट किया होता या फिर टेलीविजन में या फिर फ्लावर का पिक्चर इंसर्ट किया होता तो दैट विल बी मोर इंटरेस्टिंग एंड मोर क्रिएटिव आई थिंक. ओके.
अच्छा. Okay, ma'am.
बट गुड जॉब. आई लाइक द
Okay.
फ्लावर.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
या थैंक यू.
Okay, Abhishek, thank you. I will proceed the next one. This is done by Aman Mali. Aman, you unmute yourself and please tell about your logo.
I guess we should proceed to the next because Aman is not present in the meeting.
Okay, fine. This is done by Anthony Kumar. Anthony, please unmute yourself and tell about your logo.
Siley, I think even Anthony is not available right now in this event.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I will proceed the next one. Anuj Shinde is there.
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. I will proceed the next. Divya Jagdare.
Even
She is
Divya
not
is not
present.
there.
Yeah, she is not even.
Okay, I will proceed the next one. Garima Rai is there in this meet.
No.
Okay, I will proceed the next. Isha Kani is there. Isha.
Yeah, hi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Isha, tell about your logo to ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My logo is based on the VH1 channel. It was supposed to be the static on a TV, and I guess we went for a retro vibe, and that's about it.
Okay. So it's quite interesting. You use the colors and a pattern. Good job.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll proceed the next one. Karan Sengar is there in the meet.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Karan,
Hi,
tell about your logo.
yeah, sure. Hi, ma'am. Firstly, good afternoon. Myself, Karan. Actually, the logo which I've made is of Sony Sub. Firstly, Sony Sub is like it's a channel which comprises of family entertainment. The same way I've done that. The Sony Sub, the text, and after the text there's a like lines which represent a kind of a logo, a symbol, or a crest, which is like it's considered as a soul of brotherhood of family. The same thing it's used in sports events as well for sports teams and everything. So that's the portion of it, and the color schemes which you can see is actually are the warm colors, as the warm colors are representing very they can represent like excitement, anger, the different types of shades. This how they can like tell about the feeling of entertainment, which is the main part of the channel, because as entertainment is the biggest part in India. So that's all, ma'am.
Okay, the colors are very bright and very
Yes.
attractive.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.
Shall I proceed the next one, ma'am?
Yes.
Khan Tahsin Jamaluddin is there in the meet. He is not there, so I am proceeding the next. Komal Acharya.
She is not there.
Yes, yes. This is done by Mansi Pancholi. Mansi is also not there, so I am proceeding the next. Nikhil Gowde.
Nikhil is not there.
This is done by Payal Jain. Payal is also not there in the meet.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Ha, Payal?
Yes, ma'am. Can I?
Yeah, sure.
So basically, I thought that कि कार्टून नेटवर्क जो हमेशा लाइक उनका जब भी चेंजेस होते हैं लोगो में, सो वो हमेशा अपना ब्लैक एंड वाइट कंटिन्यू रखते हैं. सो मैंने सोचा कि जो बेसिक है, जो ओरिजिन कार्टून नेटवर्क का जो लोगो है, उसको ही लेके कुछ अलग यानी कलर्स थोड़े डाल के, सो आई थॉट कि ये लोगो मैंने डिसाइड किया कि बनाने के लिए.
Okay.
Shall I proceed the next, ma'am?
Yes.
This is done by Prathamesh Gowde. Prathamesh is there in the meet?
No, he is not there.
No, he's not there.
Okay, fine. I'll proceed the next. Purva Sargade.
Yes, I am here.
Yes, Purva, tell about your logo.
Can I speak in Marathi?
Yeah, sure, you can.
Yeah, sure, Purva.
मी परत केले. चॅनल होता ना, त्याला थोडं मग मराठी संस्कृती दाखवण्याचं ट्राय केलंय बस. आणि कलर्स बस. थँक्यू.
तुम्ही कलर्स खूप छान चूज केलेत. बट जो पण तुम्ही तो मराठी जे तुम्ही डाउनलोड करून त्याच्यावरती टाकलाय, तो कोणाचा तरी दुसऱ्यांचा आहे. तर कधी पण जेव्हा तो लोगो डिझाईन करत आहे तर तो कोणाचा लोगो घेऊ नाही शकत.
ओके.
सो दॅट्स फाईन. क्रिएटिव्ह आहे, चांगलं आहे. बट तरी नेक्स्ट टाइम कधी पण जेव्हा पण बनवशील तेव्हा अजून त्याला थोडंसं अजून क्रिएटिव्ह मध्ये स्वतःची डिझाईन्स टाकायला ट्राय कर, कारण की तुझी क्रिएटिव्हिटी चांगली आहे आणि तुझी चॉईस पण खूप चांगली आहे.
थँक्यू.
वेलकम.
This is done by Roopja Banerjee.
Yeah, good morning, ma'am. Is I'm audible?
Yes, Roopja, you are.
Yes. Okay. Actually, ma'am, I made this logo on the basis of a news channel, R Bharat. Here, my logo represents the logo R and background it's Bharat. And there you can see a picture of a voting sign which represents the right of the people. And here there are few networking sites which shows that they cover the both the right of the people as well as they shows the social issues around us around the world. And in the logo I have just bordered it with black and white. Black represents the bad, all the negative sides, and white represents the positive sides. It means that this channel covers the both the sides, bad as well as good sides. And even I written Rashtra ke saath, it means the channel supports our nation, and I have drawn it, ma'am. Okay, your concept is very, very nice. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, you're welcome.
This is done by Sagar Soni. Hello, Sagar.
Hello.
Hi, you can tell about your logo, please.
Okay, ma'am. Good afternoon, first of all.
Yeah, good afternoon.
So, my name is Sagar Soni, and I am from Cardio Division Society. So, basically, I have renovated the colors logo, and I thought the colors logo should be like the name is colored, so it should be representing the colors also in this. And this was my thought, and you can also see the little flower upon the R that shows the color truly from blue, green, yellow, pink, and red. And I didn't thought the story process that much because what came in my mind, and I had done with my work, with my mind, with my creative. So yeah, this is the small creative thing that I have created to renovate the colors logo. I hope you also little like the because the colors is like attracting to our eyes. So yeah, this is all I have to say. Hello.
Okay, Sagar.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is done by Sangeeta Shenoy. Is Sangeeta is there in the meet?
No, she's not there.
Shubham Dahake.
Yes. Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
एक्चुअली मैंने ये लोगो स्टार प्लस का रिक्रिएट किया है. मैं थोड़ा सा इसकी स्टोरी बताना चाहूँगा कि मैंने हाल ही में कोरल ड्रॉ सीखना चालू किया है, तो मुझे इतना आइडिया नहीं था लोगो क्रिएट कैसे करते हैं या फिर उसके पीछे का बैकग्राउंड क्या होता है, मतलब स्टोरी, मतलब क्या हमें दिखाना है कि किस पर्पज़ से हमें लोगो डिज़ाइन करना है. लेकिन मैंने रिक्रिएट किया तो इसमें जैसे कि हम ओरिजिनल लोगो देखते हैं वो रेड कलर में स्टार प्लस का जो अभी फ़िलहाल में है, लेकिन मैंने इसको वाइट कलर में किया है. और जो स्टार है उसको एज हम अगर एक उसको एक कैरेक्टर दे देंगे तो ऐसे हम देख सकते हैं कि वो एक स्टार, मतलब ऐसे एक उसका एक लेग आगे है और एक लेग पीछे, मतलब वो ऐसे भाग रहा है और साइड में उसके प्लस दिया है. तो इसको मैंने वाइट कलर दिया है कि मतलब इट डिस्क्राइब्स द पीस, एंड जो बैकग्राउंड में मैंने ग्रेडिंग यूज़ किया है, लाइट ग्रेडिंग, तो वो रेड है और ब्लैक यूज़ किया है ताकि, और ये पूरा एक मिला के जो स्क्वायर दिख रहा है ये पूरा एक लोगो है, ताकि हम टीवी पे हम इसको लगाएंगे तो ये कोई भी कलर पे मैच हो जाएगा, मतलब ऐसे उठ के दिखेगा। दैट्स इट। और मैं एक चीज़ ऐड करना चाहूँगा कि एक्चुअली मैंने जब सबमिट किया था तो मुझे कलर का इतना नॉलेज नहीं था। जैसे कि मैंने जो रेड कलर और ब्लैक कलर का ग्रेडिंग यूज़ किया है, तो कोरल ड्रॉ में कैसे होता है, एक CMY के एक कलर का रेटिंग होता है और एक RGB होता है। तो मैंने इसको RGB में बनाया है, RGB के कलर यूज़ करके, लेकिन उसको सेव करते टाइम पे मैंने CMY के में सेव कर दिया था। तो ये थोड़ा आपको लाइट दिखेगा, लेकिन मैंने बाद में उसको चेंज किया था। और वो अगर मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा कि अगर आपको देखना है तो वो मैं दिखा सकता हूँ आपको प्रेजेंट
या
करके।
या शो में।
ओके ओके, 1 सेकंड।
मनस्वी,
मैम स्क्रीन दिख रहा है?
यस यस।
या
ओके, तो ये जो है वो अभी जो आपके स्क्रीन पे दिखा था वो है, और उसके बाद में मैंने रिक्रिएट मतलब उसके ग्रेडिंग ठीक किया, तो ये ऐसा हो गया।
ओके,
थैंक यू मैम।
या वेलकम।
My screen is visible to you all.
No, Manasvi.
Wait a second.
Manasvi, yes, it's visible.
It's visible to you?
No, it's not.
You just
It's
ping
not
on your
visible.
Yeah, it's visible now. Everyone, please just pin our screen.
Yes, ma'am. Now.
Okay, fine. I will proceed the next one. This is done by Shubham Kumar.
Yeah, hi. Actually, I can't see your screen. It's not visible.
So you can visible.
Okay, but I'll go. I remember my logo. So yeah. No, I'll go. It's fine. Okay, so good afternoon, ma'am, and good afternoon, everyone. So as you can see, this logo is of Star Gold. So the main motive before making the logo was, as ma'am told earlier, that logo is the symbol, and we don't get enough space in the television. We get a very little space. So my main objective was that in that space only that logo should be clearly visible. That's why it's not too much fancy. And as we know that the symbol of the logo, it's a brand. The brand is known by the symbol. So that's why my channel name is Star Gold, and my logo, the symbol is of star. So whenever people see the logo, they know that yes, it's of Star Gold because the star is clearly visible. And then I've given the golden color because obviously the name of the channel is gold, so it's in golden color. And we have a logo of star which is applied to the all channels. But I changed this logo because Star Gold is a cinema channel, and it has got a lot of tough competition with Zee Cinema and Setmax. So that's why I thought that whenever people see to my logo, it should be clearly be in their mind that yes, it's a Star Gold logo. That's why I've given the symbol of star in golden color. That's all. Thank you.
Okay.
This is done by Shubham Sangle. Shubham is there in the meet.
Manaswidi, your screen is not visible still.
Sujata, just
We can't
pin
able to.
Just pin
No,
on
it is visible. Please just pin her screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Shubham is not there in the meet, so I will proceed the next logo. Shweta Prajapati.
Hello, Manasvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Your screen is not visible.
Ma'am, so
This
see
is
my
what
logo because the screen was not visible at my time also.
not visible. This is I'm saying from last 5 minutes.
Guys, extremely sorry to cut you, everyone. So I think if I'll tell you what exactly the scene is. So if you guys have been logged in from the mobile, so what you can do is where you can actually see the other participants as well, where it is written 19 or 20 others. Just click on that, okay? Where you can just see
Okay.
Manasvi's two name is just popping up. One, she is using the mic where you can see there is a dot over there, and the other one where the mic off symbol is there. Just pin on that.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
So, excuse me, ma'am. Can I go again? Because at my time, I guess you were not able to see the screen.
Okay, okay, fine, fine.
Yeah, thank you.
Shubham, this is your logo, okay?
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
you can start it.
Okay,
Just a
so,
second. Just wanted to let know that is the screen visible to everyone?
Yes,
Shreya ma'am,
ma'am.
is it visible to you?
Yeah, now it's visible.
Yes, ma'am,
Okay,
is
okay,
visible.
fine. Shubham, please proceed. Sorry for cutting you.
okay, yeah, sure, no problem. Okay, so as my channel name is Star Gold, which is a cinema channel. So the main objective of my logo was that we get very little space in the television screen. So whenever my logo pop up on the screen, it should be clearly visible and people should know that what exactly it is. So I gave the symbol of star in my logo because the symbol is the most important thing, and what I want is that people should know my logo by seeing the symbol only. It's not like that people should read the name, then only they will be able to know the name of the channel. And I have given the golden color because obviously the channel name is Star Gold. That's why I gave the color. I chose the color that is golden. And obviously it's a cinema channel, so like we have a symbol of star, which is applied to all the channels. But I chose a different star because the channel was getting a very tough competition from the other cinema channels like G Cinema and Setmax. So my main objective was that whenever people see this logo, it will be clearly in their mind that yes, it's a Star Gold channel because there's a huge star. Because when we see the logo at first, we see the star symbol. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Shubham.
Thank you.
Shubham, Sangle is there in the meet?
No.
Shweta Prajapati. She is also not there in the meet, so I'll proceed the next logo. Simran Jethanandani. She is also not there. Sujata Rathod.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon. Hello. Am I audible?
Yeah, good
Yes,
afternoon.
Sujata, you are.
हा मॅम, मी हा लोगो जो बनवलाय तो कलर्स टीव्हीचा आहे. कलर्स टीव्हीला म्हणजे तो लोगो बघून माझ्या डोक्यामध्ये आधीपासूनच यायचा की कलर्स चॅनलचं नाव आहे पण त्याच्यामध्ये इथं बिलकुल कलर नाही आहे. मग मी ते विचार केला की नॉर्मली आणि कलर्स टीव्हीला जास्त लोक पाहतात, त्याच्यामध्ये प्रत्येक लाईक वॉरियर्स दाखवले जातात, कॉमेडी शोज दाखवले जातात, म्हणजे हसी मजाक, म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये बेसिकली सगळे कलर्स दाखवले जातात, सुख दुःख सगळं एव्हरीथिंग. म्हणून ते नॉर्मल कलर्स भरूनच ते मी बनवलंय. आणि तुम्ही आता जे लोगो बद्दल सांगितलं किंवा बाकी सगळे जे एक्सप्लेन करत आहे की लोगो कसं प्रेझेंटेबल असलं पाहिजे, कसं अट्रॅक्टिव्ह असलं पाहिजे, तसं मला माहितीच नव्हतं की असं पण काही. हा ते सर पण बोलले की लोगो स्पीक असं काहीतरी बोलले ते तर डोक्यावरूनच गेलं. पण हा खरंच लोगो असला पाहिजे की आपल्याला पण बघावंसं वाटेल म्हणून. थँक्यू.
Okay, Sujata, thank you. This is done by Tashmeet Kaur. Tashmeet is there in the meet. She is not
Yes,
in the
I
meet.
guess she's there. Just a second, Manasvi.
Okay, okay.
I guess she has left the meeting. Let's proceed.
Okay. This is done by Varghese Rinu. She is also not there in the meet. Karthik
No,
She's
Nair.
not there. You can proceed. Yeah.
Karthik Nair is there in the
Yes.
meet?
Finish. Check.
even Karthik is not there.
He is also. Yes.
Okay, fine. This is done by Karthik, so I'll end up here.
Great. Thank you so much, Siley, for heading us towards this. And first of all, to all the participants, it was great job, guys. Trust me, on my behalf of my institution, I actually extend a really hearty vote of thanks to our chief judge. First of all, Shreya Tirke ma'am, who spared time from a busy schedule to grace this occasion.
Also, an event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheel started rolling weeks ago. It requires planning and bird's eye for details. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team which was very proactive and dedicated staff from our institution, and also they were very well versed in their job. You might not know, Ma'am Shreya, that we have been arranging this entire fest in a single week. That was a very difficult task, but still, we were able to do it because of them. Also, thank you everyone for your contribution and support. It was fun having all of you here.
Yep. Special thanks goes to our event heads and all the participants as well. Special thanks to our teachers who actually supported us, for making this event actually successful. All special thanks to Savitri ma'am, Sindhu ma'am, and Sagar sir as well. Thank you so much.
Thanks all, Shreya Thutke, all the participants. Hope we'll meet again in the next year, face to face. And thanks for all the hard work, my students, dear students. Okay, now we can leave
Thank you,
the
Shreya
group
ma'am,
now.
and thank you all the participants.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
thank you so much.